Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling feature. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. DHCP IP address, mask length. Please enter the DHCP IP address, mask length of the network where the server will be installed. IP address to set on the web server. Please enter the IP address you have chosen for the web server. Interface name, terminal. IPAD, enter the name of the server's interface. Domain. Please enter the domain you acquired. Fedora37 DNS server settings. Link. Check the interface name. Installing bind. Setting zone information. Open TCP, UDP port 53. Port open test. Start bind and check its operation. Move to root environment. Change the DNS settings of the PC in your home network. Verify the secondary DNS. Check client PC display. Check the interface name. Check the interface name. Installing bind. Install bind. Configure bind. Setting zone information. Create an internal forward lookup information file. Create an internal reverse lookup information file. Open TCP, UDP port 53. Open TCP, UDP port 53 in the router settings. Please check the setting method according to your own environment. Port open test. On the site below, enter the host name, linuxserver.jp, and port number 53 are open. If not, create a web page and check again later. Start bind and check its operation. Change network settings. Set auto start and restart. Check for errors. Verify the syntax and fix any errors. Restart. Check operation. Move to root environment. Move to root environment. Change the DNS settings of the PC in your home network. Right-click the Windows Start menu and click Network Connections. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Local Area Connection. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address, and set Preferred DNS Server to 192.168.1.3, and Alternative DNS Server to 192.168.1.1, and click OK. Verify the secondary DNS. Allows the server to connect to the Internet. Open the file. Add it to the last line. Create a new interface configuration file. Restart. Check Client PC display. In the browser of the client PC, select HTTPS Linux server JP. Check the display of. If it is not displayed, enter the server's IP address in the hosts file of the client PC, 192.168.1.3, domain name, Linux server, JP. Add settings. Open Notepad etc. with administrator privileges, all files, and add it to the last line of the host's file. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.